I want to do this drill because I want to focus on our releves and focus on our supporting legs and our passes. We haven't done it in a long time. Do you know what I'm talking about? So you're going to pirouette, so you're going to step, boom, you're just leaving your arms here the whole time. So the only thing I want you to watch is don't let this happen just because your arms are up, you know what I mean? Keep those shoulders pressed down. But we're going to prep. We're going to do, we'll just do triples right now so you can really think about it. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left, 6, 7, 8, boom, 2, 3, 4, and left. So you're alternating between right and left, which also makes it a little bit more difficult. Oh yeah, if you need a shoe for your left foot. But on left, if you are feeling like, oh my gosh, I can't do a triple on my left, then just focus on a double. But try to push yourself, push your technique on your left too. Spot, 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 spot. Good, you guys. Watch your ribs a little bit. You're still slightly arching. Just a little. Yeah, you land back in your prep. Land back in your prep. This is a hard drill. And it is hard because you're taking away your arms, so you don't have that momentum from your arms.